Do you hate waking up early? Are you ever running late to work or school? Do you wish that you could sleep in an extra 20 minutes but you can't because you know that your makeup routine is way too long? Do you find yourself having to set tons of alarms because you keep hitting the snooze button and falling asleep through all of them? Then this is the video for you. Keep on watching to find how to accomplish a quick makeup routine and yet still look flawless all day. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly do your makeup routine and still have it last all day long. Because I have classes that run from 7 in the morning to 7 p.m. So I wake up at like 5:45 because I have to do my makeup and shower and to get ready and make my breakfast. And I wish that I could wake up at like 6:30 and then leave and get to school on time. But I finally found a makeup routine that I can do super quickly and still get a couple extra minutes of sleep, and yet the makeup will still last all day long. So make sure to keep on watching if you guys are interested. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly do your makeup whenever you're in a rush, you're late for school, whatever the case is. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly speed through your makeup routine. Like if you ever have those days where you just wake up late or you just completely miss your alarm and you just have to like quickly speed through your makeup, and like I've done it before and I'm always amazed by how quickly I can do it like under pressure. But I think that sometimes we just need to get this to be our regular routine because sometimes it takes way too long, so I'm going to cut down my regular routine from 20 minutes to about 5 minutes. Alright, it is currently 12:49. We're going to go ahead and get started. So the first step is priming. So what you want to do is use a primer water because it just speeds up the process instead of having to rub in all that primer into your face. So I use this primer water because it works well for me. And then I'm just going to start off and get my foundation. I've been using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I've mixed it with my Estee Lauder because my tan has been fading, so the NYX is a bit dark for me right now. So I'm just going to wait until I finish it though, or until my tan completely fades, and then I can purchase a lighter shade. Alright, so we're just going to quickly dot this foundation over. If you don't really like to wear foundation like every day, then you can skip this and just do like concealer. I know that I do that sometimes on like light makeup days, but I'm going to show you guys how to look good and make your makeup last all day in like 5 minutes. We'll see, hopefully. I hope it's 5 minutes. I don't know. I'm going to use my Real Techniques blending brush, just kind of buffing that all in. And also for this, I'm not going to be doing like eyeliner and all that stuff. I used to wear eyeliner like every day because I loved it, but it really just takes up, it doesn't take too long, but it's like an extra couple minutes that you can really save in your routine. So I just don't really wear it anymore. Even with like eyeshadow looks, I kind of stopped wearing eyeliner because I don't know, I'm kind of liking it, how looks turn out better without eyeliner. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer eyeliner or not? Also, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I already announced the Instagram giveaway winner yesterday, so congratulations to Virginia. She won that one. And if you guys didn't win, don't worry. I'm going to have a lot more giveaways coming up. I really love to just give back in general. Alright, now for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and just quickly apply that. And this is like another step you can kind of skip because, I don't know, you don't always need to do that. And I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. I've got a lot of the brushes. This is the JH08. I've been liking this brush. I've been using it. I'm like testing out all the brushes to see which ones I like. And the eyeshadow brushes I really like actually. They are so soft and they just blend everything so nicely. Like I've definitely noticed a difference in like my usual blending brushes and those. Alright, so moving on to powder. Alright, and again I'm using the Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm just kind of using a big brush for this because you can cover more surface area and just kind of set everything a little quicker. and I'm using the peach powder that I always use. The only thing about big brushes and this powder is like the powder kind of gets everywhere, like all up in my nose and stuff. Alright, so that is that. And now we're going to move on to brows. So this is probably like one of the longest steps. Alright, so you can use a tinted brow gel, and that's going to make it a lot easier if you have like your brows already done, if you don't need to fill them in that much. Other than that, I do have a brow tutorial up, so you guys can check that out, but that's kind of like when I have time is when I do that. But like if I'm in a rush, I just kind of quickly like brush through it, and I use this one, this brow definer, because it's a bigger, so it covers a lot more of the areas I need to cover. Also, if you push your brow hairs down, then you can see like more clearly the areas that you want to fill in. Alright, so this is taking longer. Unfortunately, it wasn't 5 minutes. Well, it's been 5 minutes now. We're almost done. Maybe this is going to be like 7 minutes. I don't know. And then I just set my brows. Now I'm going to move on to mascara, which is almost the last step. And this is another one that just takes a while because I have to curl my lashes. So if you have naturally curly lashes, you're truly blessed because the struggle is real and they don't hold unless I use waterproof mascara. Oh, by the way, I did prime before when I applied my moisturizer and stuff, and I used the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Primer. So yeah, there's that. This is the only thing that really just takes a while because curling them. But you can skip that. You know, I've been wondering if I should get lash extensions, but like, I just don't like the process of when they fall out, that it's just kind of like, I don't know, like some lashes stay there and the others don't. Alright, so almost last step, I'm going to be using a lipstick. I tried one out, but I didn't like it, so I went quickly and switched it. But I'm using the ColourPop What's Your Sign. Yeah. And I want to use a lipstick because liquid lipsticks can be difficult to handle. There's more chance for a mistake, so I just kind of tend to not use those when I'm in a rush. So now I'm just quickly gonna bronze. Again, this is kind of like unnecessary, but I just do it because, I don't know, I like it. But I just like lightly do it, so it's not too much. And then I'm using this e.l.f. palette and just putting some little bit of blush. Alright, so I barely use any of that, and I'm just going to use the Becca and Jaclyn Hill highlight palette to apply a little bit of highlight. And if I don't do like blush and bronzer, I'll usually just do highlight. So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm just going to set my face using the Scandinavian makeup finishing spray. Guys, this stuff like really holds my makeup together all day, and so that's why I wanted to do this not only as like a quick makeup routine, but also like effective. It lasts throughout the whole day. This is what I do whenever I have school and like classes all day, because I go in at around 7 and I get out at like 7, so I have to, like, my makeup has to last like 12 hours, and it does. So I made sure to include all the products that I use on a regular basis, so you guys not only have a quick but effective makeup routine. Alright guys, so we are all done. So that took a little bit less than 10 minutes. It's 12:58 right now, and I did have to run upstairs to get a new lipstick, so if you factor that out, I don't know, 7 minutes, 7-8 minutes. So you guys, this is honestly like really effective and helpful for me to kind of speed through my makeup routine, because honestly, like, I feel like we take so much time out of our day to do our makeup. Like, I take like regularly like 25-30 minutes depending on the look I'm doing. Like, sometimes I'll be just doing this and it'll take me like 20 minutes, and it's because I'll just be like watching Netflix or something and like, you know, just like quick, like slowly like spreading my foundation and like curling my lashes, taking time with my brows. But honestly, this looks just fine. It kind of is like basically the same result that I get whenever I take a longer time to do my makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the announcement of the giveaway winner for the YouTube prize. That's probably the reason that you guys are all here. So I put all the names into a random name picker, and the winner is Stephanie Martinez. So congratulations to you, girl. I will be contacting you very shortly so that we can get your prize sent to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys all so much for entering. Honestly, it meant so much to see so many people entering, and I really love to give back. So if you didn't win, I'm sorry. I wish I could give you guys all prizes and makeup products, but I will be doing many more giveaways. Definitely in the near future, even if it's just like one palette or something, or like a couple lip glosses, or like a new collection. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my videos, because I will incorporate any giveaways into those. So again, thank you guys so much for entering and for all your support, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining the family. I hope you guys are here to stay and that you guys keep watching my videos. Thank you guys for all the support. Make sure to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!